Hey darlings, you're seeing this video and you got it from text or email because Facebook and Instagram are down. Like, they're not working anywhere. Nobody knows why. Facebook's been silent about it, although how would they tell anyone? So I had so much planned today and this week. Hopefully this issue is resolved because I have so many things that I want to tell you and help you with and do with you. This week is focusing all about eyes. I joined a challenge this month that's to help me be more consistent in posting and engaging with you guys and teaching, and I want to make it happen. So I have a few tutorials here out on YouTube where you're finding this so that you can find it if Facebook and Instagram don't come back up for a while. So keep an eye out for some great tutorials. I'm going to do a 1-color eye look. I'm going to do a 3-color eye look technique so that you can swap out whatever colors you want, but you have the technique down. I'm going to do a full face of just Shadow Sense because this week's all about eyes. I have some deals on eye products. I have some giveaways, so many things. So I hope that you will check out stuff that I post. Hopefully Facebook and Instagram will come back. Literally today nothing's going according to plan. I had planned to do a super cute eye tutorial today, but we're having our drywall redone and I can't get into the room where I do all that stuff. So literally nothing going according to plan. I hope your day is going a little smoother than mine, but I am gonna roll with it. I'm about to make a cup of tea and go read a book. So I hope you're having a great day. I would love it if you responded and let me know if there's anything eye related that you would like a tutorial or information on. Let me know.